Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for an easy way to make money online? Look no further. Introducing the ultimate online earning platform, the top choice for 2023. With our platform, you can finally say goodbye to traditional 9-to-5 jobs and hello to a flexible and lucrative online career. First and foremost, we provide a wide range of earning opportunities. Whether you're skilled in writing, graphic design, programming, or even just have a knack for DIY crafts, there's something for everyone. Not only that, but our platform ensures that you are paid fairly for your hard work. No more haggling over rates or getting scammed. You'll have peace of mind knowing that you'll receive fair compensation for your efforts. But that's not all. Our platform offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for even beginners to get started. No prior experience or technical skills required. Moreover, our platform provides a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Connect with other freelancers, exchange tips and tricks, and gain inspiration from success stories. And here's the best part. You get to work on your terms. Whether you want to earn a side income or make a full-time living, our platform allows you to set your own schedule and work from anywhere in the world. So, why wait? Join us today and unlock the boundless opportunities of online earning. Say yes to financial freedom and a fulfilling career.